Okay, so finished copying this, and I believe some of you have also solved and got the value of A, which is right. All you have to do was substitute over here. So you have 25 equals to A plus 9 into 2, which is A plus 18. 25 minus 18 equals to A, therefore A equals to 7. Therefore A equals to 7, which many of you have already given the answer. So are we clear with this? A is 7, D is 2. Can I erase this now? I'll write what we have found out over here. A equal to 7, D equal to 2. Using this, we have found that out. Okay, can I erase it? Anybody is copying it? Nobody's copying? Everybody's finished? Good.
Yes.
Now we have to find T38. Formula remains the same. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1. D, formula does not change. The formula is the same. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1. D. So T38 equals to A, we have found out 7 plus n. Here is 38 minus 1. D is 2. 7 plus 37 into 2. 7 plus T38 equals to 81. T38 equals to 81. T38 is 81, not 91. Zishan, it is 81. That's what happens when we go for speed. We make very silly mistakes which we should avoid. So T38, 71. No, sorry, 81. Next question that they've asked us is Tn. Tn is 99. Tn is 99. What is the value of n? Tn is given to me as 99. I have to find the value of n. Again, the formula remains the same. Tn equals to this. So 99 equals to A, we have found out as 7 plus A equals to 7 plus n, we have to find out, and D is, expand this. So we'll get 99 equals to 7 plus n minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So 99 equals to 5 plus n. 99, bring this 5 this side. From right hand side, bring it to left hand side. So if the side is going to change, the sign is also going to change. So 99 minus 5, and nobody told me, that's where you have made a mistake. You have to multiply this 2 by everything in the bracket. So this will be 2n and not just n. 2n minus 2. So this is 2n equals to 2n. 99 minus 5 is 94, which is equal to 2n. So 94 upon 2 equals to n, which is how much? 47. This is 47. N is 47. N is 47. So we will say, therefore 99 is the 47th term. Therefore 99 is the 47th term. Okay, copy this, then we'll proceed further. Done. This is how you're going to see same formula, different things were asked, but we are using the same formula. The formula has not changed. तभी हमको A ढूंढना था, कभी D ढूंढना था, कभी N ढूंढना था. फॉर्मूला वही रहा है. Formula has not changed throughout the sum or different sums. We have used the same formula depending on what is given and what is to be found out. We have used it. So till here, are we clear? Any doubts, any queries, any questions in this? Okay, because now we have come till exercise 3.2. Yesterday I had asked you to do some sums. Today I am going to tell you to do the complete exercise. Okay, that is those 10 sums that are there. So let's do some examples from the exercise. थोड़ा आपका homework कम कर लेते हैं यहीं पे. Okay, I don't want to start with the new formula today. New formula we are going to start in the next class. That is the last formula that is there. With that, of course, will also be the word problems. Okay, that is called as application of AP. So first or rather I'll introduce you to the word problems also over here. Okay, I'll introduce you to the next formula also, but before that, let's do at least one more example or two more examples. Okay. I'm sure many of you will be able to do it, so we'll do it faster. The AP is given as 12, 16, 20, 24. You have to find the 24th term. You have to find the 24th term. You have to find the 24th term. So let's start doing this. Let's see how fast you all can do this. If you do this, one more sum, and then we are going to proceed to the next formula. So that will give you the entire this thing of this chapter, so you don't have to worry much. First try this. Very easy. I've given you an easier one. You have to find the 24th term of the AP. To find the 24th term of the AP, first you will have to identify what is A, you will have to identify what is D, and then substitute in the formula. Once you substitute in the formula, solving is not going to take you more than 2 minutes. Chalo fast. Anybody who's got the answer? I'm waiting for your answer. If you all have got the answer, then I'll proceed further.
104.
Let's see. Let's see. Check करते बेटा, check करते 2 मिनट रुक जाओ. So as I said here, A is 12, D is 24th term ढूंढना है. So n is 24. And what you have to find out is substitute. So yes, 104, that's the correct answer. Pn is 104. Okay, it's so simple. The steps are very limited. It's not too complicated. It is not too many things that you have to do. Is this clear? So then we are going to look at one more before we start with a new type. Okay, one more example. Those of you who have not finished it or for some reason didn't get it, please copy it. It doesn't take too much time. That's the next one. 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11. 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11. That is the AP. 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11. Okay, that is the AP. You have to find the 27th term. You have to find the 27th term. Okay. To find the 27th term. Chalo.
One 39.
Sorry?
139.
Who's that? आवाज तो आ रही है लेकिन कौन बोला ये 139? अरमान?
Abdul Hadi.
Abdul Hadi. That's a wrong answer. 139 is a wrong answer. यही जो मैं बोला था ना जो गलती होती है वही गलती आप लोगों ने की. कोई it's no new mistake that you have done. Unexpected lines. That's why I took this sum before I started the next one. I'll give another minute for those of you who are still doing it, are a little circumspect and doing it properly and want to solve it without making mistakes. So I'll give them a little bit of time. A minute more. Abdul Hadi, please check where you have gone wrong. Sarah, please check where you have gone wrong. Please check, please check. So, first step, I'm sure all of you have done right. A is 9, correct? How much is D? Hadi, how much is D?
5.
5.
Minus
right?
5. Yeah, minus
That's
5.
where people have made mistakes. Some have taken 5, some have taken minus 5. It is minus 5 and not 5. If you have taken it as 5, you have made a mistake. And that's where
Yes, sir.
you are getting it wrong. Okay?
Yeah.
That's where you have to be careful. Now, N, they have said find 27th term. This is where, as I said, you all will have a possibility of making mistakes. So you have to be careful over here. Okay. Otherwise, it is simple. Plus into minus is going to give me minus.
Minus 121.
Sorry. 26 into 5 is, sorry, my mistake. It's 5, 13. Minus 121 and not 139. Are we clear where we made mistakes?
Yes, sir.
छोटी सी गलती रहती है, but that is what happens. So you have to be very careful. Okay, it is not 139, it is not minus 139, but it is minus 121. Because just this sign, आपने इसको 130 ले लिया, प्लस कर दिया 139, gone. बहुत जल्दी आंसर दे दिया, लेकिन जीरो. Please don't do that. You have to be careful. Okay? Are we clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So those of you who have not got it for whatever reasons, this is all that is there. Please copy it fast. Done? Finished copying? हो गया क्या कॉपी करके सबका? तो फिर मैं दूसरा आपको इंटरेस्टिंग ये बताता हूँ. Done? So I'll give you one very interesting thing to do. All of you can try. All of you can try. It's a very simple thing. What is the total? What is the total of numbers from 1 to 100? Yes. You all know numbers, right? You all have learned from 1, 2, 3, 4 in school when you were in the small classes. So what is the total of numbers from 1 to 100? Let's see who can answer this. Total of numbers from 1 to 100. That's it. Not too many. Just total of first 100 numbers. How many of you can answer it and how fast can you answer it? Let's see. You can do rough work, you can do fair work, you can do mental this thing, you can do sentimental thing. I don't know what you can do. Okay. Total of numbers from 1 to 100. Some are very fast over here. Right or wrong, that I don't know, but they've added it very fast. And I don't know, again, everybody is getting the same answer. Whether it is right or all of them are wrong, that I don't know. Everybody is answering 5050. Sometimes it happens, no? That is called as, what is that called? Herd mentality. एक ने बोल दिया सबने वही बोल देंगे, जो होगा सबका होगा, अकेले का थोड़ी होगा, है ना? अच्छा ठीक है, चलो ये आप लोगों ने बता दिया. 1 to 500. Let's see how many of you can do this. Total of numbers from 1 to 500. becomes difficult, isn't it? Let's not get into doing that because we'll spend lots of time. And supposing they say 1 to 1000, then what we are going to do? Sir, 2 दिन दे दो, हम घर से करके आते हैं. Exam में ऐसा थोड़ी चलेगा. Now there is an easier way to do this. Like, I don't know how those of you who have answered have done it. Okay, some must have seen in the textbook, some must have seen somewhere else, some must have done it. What is that called? Abacus में या कहीं पे. I don't know what you all have done, but there is a smart way of doing this. What is that smart way? Just apply the formula. Just apply the formula. Very good. But all these things, Google and all those things will not be available in your examination hall, isn't it? Right now you can study from home, so you can do all these extracurricular things and get the answers. But when you are in the examination hall, all these gadgets and all these things will not be there with you. So how to go about this? For this, we have another formula. That's the only other formula that is there in this chapter. So let's write that down. Then I'll explain it to you. Not very difficult. It is actually easy. Sn, that is sum of n numbers. Sn, that is sum of n numbers. Sn is sum of n numbers into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula. Of course, we can derive this formula. I can explain you how this formula is derived, but that's a little lengthier and it's not asked in your exams anyways. So not all of you will be interested in knowing that. But anyways, I'll just in brief explain that to you. ये आप सिर्फ लिख लो, इसको बॉक्स में मार्क कर लो क्योंकि ये important है. Okay, so you have to write this formula. This is what we are going to use when we are going to solve sums. अब confusion यहाँ पे शुरू होने वाला है. सर TN कब ढूंढना है, SN कब ढूंढना है? जब वर्ड प्रॉब्लम आएंगे तो वो तो बोलकर नहीं देंगे आपको कि इसमें TN ढूंढना है या इसमें SN ढूंढना है. They're just going to give you word problems. So there is going to be the challenge whether you can find TN, whether you know when to find TN and when to find SN. Anyways, when we do these sums, when we go through them, we will realize that. That's the only thing that is there for you all to do. But anyways, ये formula. अब कैसे आया था वो? So instead of doing this formula was given by a mathematician called Gauss. Okay, and when he was in school like you all, his teacher had asked sum of numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, तो टीचर को कहीं कुछ काम था, कुछ पढ़ना था, कुछ करना था, पता नहीं, तो बोले बच्चे लोगों को ऑक्यूपाइड रखना है. So she said, or he said, find the sum of first numbers 1 to 100. And within few minutes, Gauss gave the answer as 5050, which most of you had given. And you know that time there was no Google, so nobody could find out from Google वो actually किया था उसने. Whereas what people were doing, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 98 plus 99 plus 100. This is what people were doing. Okay, they were doing it like this. That is the way that was there. What he did was, he said this, then he said 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. एक बार इस तरफ से ऐड कर लो, एक बार इस तरफ से ऐड कर लो. So if you'll see each of this, 1 plus 100 is 101, 2 plus 99 is 101, 3 plus 98 is 101, 101, 101, 101. Now, how many 101s? How many terms have you added? 100. So 100 into 101, which is 10 This is what he got. Okay, this is what he got. But since he was adding it twice, he divided it by 2. So this is what did he get? How much is 100 into 101? And then he divided it by 2. So we got 50, 50. Okay. So this is how he did it, and he did it so fast rather than adding all of this. So for that, the formula that he derived because of that was Sn equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. 2a plus n minus 1 d. All of you please copy this formula. Next time we are going to do sums based on this formula, that is how to find sum of numbers. How many numbers? Excuse me. It could be n numbers. It could be sum of first 5 numbers, sum of 500 numbers. Formula will remain the same. Again, the terms that you need to identify are A, D, and N. If you can identify A, D, and N, ये 3 बेसिक चीजें, और ढूंढना क्या है, SN ढूंढना है या TN ढूंढना है. बस अगर सिर्फ इतना आपको पता है, you can never go wrong in this chapter. Never, never, never. You can get full marks in this chapter. You can score entire 8 marks that are there reserved for this chapter. Okay, and when I say 8 marks, that is roughly how much? 20% of your paper. So you can easily score 20% of your paper in this chapter. फुल मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं. सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको पता होना चाहिए ए क्या है, जो कि बहुत इजी है, सबसे इजी ए है. फिर डी क्या है, जिसमें कभी कभी हम साइन की गलती कर सकते हैं, बट वी नीड टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट. इफ वी अवॉइड डूइंग दोज मिस्टेक्स, सो वी कैन गेट ए, डी, एन and TN or SN. Now the most confusing thing that you will be facing when we solve, after we have finished this, is how to identify कि SN ढूंढना है, TN ढूंढना है कि N ढूंढना है. बस सिर्फ ये चीजों के बीच में आपका कंफ्यूजन रहेगा. बाकी चीजें 99.9% you all will get right. A, D, you all will get that right. I don't have concerns about that. My concern is whether you will be able to identify N, TN, SN. क्योंकि अगर TN ढूंढना है, आपने SN ढूंढा, still you are not going to get marks and you are going to waste time. SN ढूंढना है, TN ढूंढा, still you are not going to get marks. और N ढूंढना है, TN ढूंढा, तो और बहुत ज्यादा टाइम चला जाएगा. So you have to be very careful. Okay, you have to read properly. I know all of you can read. There is no doubt. 10th में आए, मतलब all of you can read what is there. Question is how many of you can understand. It's not about reading, it is how many of you can understand. If you all can understand it, what you are reading, good enough, then it's not a problem. But if you all cannot understand it, read तो सब कर लेते, understand कितने करते हैं वो question रहेगा. And that is what they're testing in the exam, because formula, as I said, not difficult. You need the formula. By the time we finish this chapter, it will be printed in your mind, isn't it? एक तो D का formula है, दूसरा TN का formula है, तीसरा SN का formula है. Not at all difficult. The formulas are very easy. Okay, like when we go into the finding volume of a frustrum or total surface area of a frustrum of a cone, that formula is a little lengthier and little complicated. We'll see that. But इसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं है. Tn equals to a plus n minus 1d, Sn equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. बस और कुछ है ही नहीं. सिर्फ इतनी सी चीजें आप लोगों को याद रखनी है. अगर ये ठीक से याद रहेगा, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, और अगर आप आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएंगे कि व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट, वंस यू डू दैट you can easily score full marks in this. Okay, any doubts in what we have done so far? Because now I'm going to ask you all to do exercise 3.2 the balance sums, जिसमें से 2 तो आज मैंने ही यहीं पे किए है ना, और पहले 3 आपको दिए हुए थे. So assuming that we have done 5 sums, you are just left with 5 sums for homework, that is on Saturday, Sunday. So only 5 sums you have to do on Saturday and Sunday put together. Okay, and then we are going to start with sums based on SN. After doing sums on SN, we are going to do word problems. And if you can get the word problems right, believe me, you can score full marks. It's not going to be difficult. Any doubts, please ask, because in 3 minutes, any which ways, it's going to get disconnected. तो उतना टाइम आपके पास है, किसी को भी कोई भी डाउट है पूछ लो, we will resolve it. I'll share. Many of you would not be having textbooks, right? 10th के बुक्स आप लोगों के पास नहीं रहेंगे, काफी लोगों के पास. Not to worry, I'll be sending you the image of the exercise, the sums that you are supposed to do. I'll send you those questions, just solve them. Okay, textbooks, if you have, well and good. I don't know, I read somewhere, I don't remember where, that the shops for books and all those things, they're going to allow them to work. So if the shops open, please see to it that you will buy the books now, because what is going to happen is, once whatever stock is there in the shop, once those books are sold out, new books will take lots of time to come, because there's no printing that has happened. Printing has stopped, so they will not have stock. अभी जितना दुकानों में है, जो पहले जाएगा उसको मिलेगा, वो खत्म हो जाएगा. So once they open the shops, they were supposed to open it now, this week itself. I don't know if they've opened it or not. Right now, the Pune, everything is closed. I think from today onwards, things might become a little easier. So check it out online only. If they open up, just go and get the books, whatever you can get, because later on, you'll have to wait for a long time. And even if it is available online, downloading it and every time checking it becomes a little tedious. It is not so very simple. Okay. Anybody has any queries? किसी को भी कोई डाउट्स, क्वेरीज, क्वेश्चन? अभी आज जो हमने किया उसमें, पहले जो किया उसमें, किसी में भी, anybody has, any school has done anything in this subject? Somebody is, they are doing online, I don't know, किसी का हो गया है कुछ? Because very soon we'll finish this chapter. I want to know what is happening in your school, so that we can also do the same thing if possible. किसी के स्कूल में हुआ है algebra, geometry, anything, please let me know. जिसके भी स्कूल में हुआ है, क्या हुआ है बताओ प्लीज. सानिया, what is it that has been done in your school? Algebra first lesson. Okay, that's what, linear equations. After this, most probably we'll also go to first chapter. Geometry circle, we'll keep it for a little later, Arman, because I wanted to possible, if possible, in the classroom. Okay, if not, अगर फिर भी ज़्यादा टाइम तक अगर ये लॉकडाउन चलता है या social distancing चलता है, then we will take up geometry. But first, I would prefer to do algebra, because that then becomes a little easier, even from here, and looking at the videos and all those things, you can still understand. This geometry circle chapter, yes, it is important. We'll do it when we are in the classroom. Unless it goes on for a long time, then yes, then we don't have a choice. Then we'll do it online only. Okay, but as of now, let's finish this. I think next class is Monday. Monday we'll do SN. Wednesday. Next week, maximum, we should finish this chapter. Maximum, next week we should finish this chapter, and then by that time, we'll see what all is there, and we'll, anybody whose school's classes are going on online, until when are those classes?